Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 12 from ISS 2019 paper 2. Consider a random sample of size 64 from a normal population with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, which is unknown. The computations obtained from 64 sample observations are x bar, which is the sample mean, and sum over xi minus x bar whole square, which is equals to 6300. Therefore, the 95% confidence interval for mu is which of these four options? Okay, so let's see. We know that root over n x bar minus mu divided by s follows Tn minus 1, where x bar is the sample mean and s is the sample variance. Sorry, s square is the sample variance. Okay, now given by the question, x bar is equals to 60.4. Okay, and n minus 1 a square is equals to 6300, and the value of n is 64. Okay, therefore we can say that a square is equals to 6300 divided by 63, which is equals to 100. Therefore the value of s is 10. Now the test statistic, which is root over n x bar minus mu divided by s, it reduces to 8 multiplied by 60.4 minus mu divided by 10. Okay, therefore the 95% confidence interval will be probability mu is less than x bar minus Tn minus 1 comma alpha by 2 s divided by root over n, and here we get x bar plus Tn minus 1 alpha by 2 s divided by root over n, which is equals to 1 minus alpha. Now the value of x bar is 60.4 minus the value of t 0.025 comma n minus 1 means 63. It is equals to 1.9983. Okay, therefore 1.9983, the value of s is 10 divided by 8. Here we get 60.4 plus 1.9983 multiplied by 10 divided by 8 is equals to 1 minus alpha, and this reduces to 57.9021, and this reduces to 62.897 is equals to 1 point. The value of alpha is 0.05. Okay, therefore we can say that the correct option is the option B. Okay, B is the correct option. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.